Hey, what's up guys, B-Boy here, Tech, and today we got a new entry-level device from OPPO. This is one of the 3 devices they launched last week, alongside the OPPO A77s and the OPPO A17. What we got here is the OPPO A17k. It's available in 2 colors, gold and navy blue, which is the color we have here. Design-wise, it is a well-crafted device with smooth curved corners, flat edges, and flat front and back panels. At the back, we got a single module camera, a 50-megapixel camera with 2.0 aperture, with a 70-degree field of view, plus a single lens down below it. It has this nice matte texture at the back that you will think is just a regular straight line, but if you look closely, it has this zigzag texture, which is a nice touch. On the left side, we got the SIM tray that allocates 2 nano SIM plus micro SD card slot. While on the right side, we got a tactile and clicky volume rocker and the power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor, which you can only see on some mid-range devices. At the bottom, we still got a 3.5mm headphone jack, pinhole mic, micro USB port, and the speaker grills. Even though the device weighs around 189 grams, you won't notice it thanks to its flat body and it's easy to hold, plus less finger smudge. Now, in terms of the display, even though this device uses an AC TFT panel, we still get a decent viewing angle. If you're unfamiliar with the AC TFT panel, it stands for Amorphous Silicon. Here's a quick comparison with an LTPS panel. So you'll notice that it has more layers versus the other better displays like LTPS and AMOLED display, but not to the point that it sacrifices quality like the other TFT panels that manufacturers used back in the day. So if you look closely, it has more separation between the panel and the glass. Now, in terms of the size, we have a huge 6.56 inches display with 60Hz panel and HD Plus resolution. Okay, in terms of performance, we get an Helio 635 GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to total of 7 GB, thanks to their RAM expansion feature, which I'll show you in a bit. In terms of storage, it has 64 GB. The great thing here is that it supports OTG, so if you plan to use external storage, you have that tech. While in terms of battery, it has huge 5000 mAh, which is a big plus. During our testing the device, we expanded the RAM up to 4 GB, like I mentioned a while ago. You have this feature in the settings where you can use the RAM expansion to add additional virtual RAM to your device. So you have the choices from 1 GB up to 4 GB. And I do highly recommend adjusting this because the device only comes with 3 GB by default. And to be honest, you'll notice the delay if you are coming from a mid-range device or a higher device. We tested some games, most of them will be in the lowest settings like Diablo Immortal and Mobile Legends. Not recommendable since these games are very graphically demanding game. Most casual games will be the best for this device. But while it lacks the performance for gaming, the great thing here about this device is that it excels in the camera section. Based on our initial sample shots, both photos and videos, you'll get a decent output thanks to the higher megapixels. Although it only captures up to 1080p at 30 FPS, still, the outcome is good enough for most people who want to share on social media platforms. Here are some of the photos taken using the OPPO A17k. Plus, even the front camera portrait mode has this nice bokeh effect. But my favorite part about this device is that it still has color recording. Yep, I'm that guy who always wishes that phone call recording would still be available for most devices. And I'm happy to report that it's still available on this device. For an entry-level device, OPPO still included the fingerprint sensor and the facial recognition security feature, which is actually great. Like most OPPO devices, it runs on the latest Android 12 on top of the ColorOS 12.1.1. There are many customizable features like gesture control, split screen, flexible window, smart sidebar, and many more. So stay tuned on our written review for this one. The OPPO A17k is priced at $5,999 and it's available both online and physical stores near you. So what do you think about the OPPO A17k? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you find this video helpful, feel free to hit that like button and toggle the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Also, follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Once again, this is B-Boy of Tech, and see you in our next video.